Looking to maximize greenery in your small balcony space? Imagine stepping onto your balcony and being surrounded by a vibrant array of plants. That's the magic of balcony gardening, a practice that skillfully uses limited space to create an urban jungle. Not only does it add a touch of beauty to your home, but it also offers a soothing retreat from the hustle of city life. In this video, we'll show you how to initiate your own balcony garden. Ready to transform your balcony into a green oasis? Stay tuned! First things first, assess your balcony's conditions. Every balcony is unique with its own microclimate, dictated by factors such as sunlight exposure, wind conditions, and weight capacity. Understanding these elements is crucial to your balcony garden's success. Let's begin with sunlight. Observe the amount and timing of sunlight your balcony receives. This will guide you on what plants to choose, as some need full sun, while others thrive in shade. Next, consider the wind. A high-rise balcony may need wind-resistant plants or windbreaks to protect delicate greenery. Finally, don't overlook the weight capacity of your balcony. Planters, soil, and water add up quickly in weight. Now that you've got the basics, it's time to get your hands dirty. Starting your balcony garden is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, select containers that are sturdy and have good drainage. Next, prepare the soil. Opt for a light, well-draining mix that will keep your plants happy. Then, plant your seeds or young plants, ensuring they are spaced correctly for growth. Finally, care for your garden. Regular watering, sunlight, and occasional fertilizing are key. Remember, every plant is unique, so understand their needs. With patience and care, you'll soon see your balcony garden flourish. And there you have it, your guide to starting a balcony garden. With the right approach, you can transform any small space into a lush green oasis. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!